G'day guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to draw Toad from the Super Mario Bros. Movie. What an awesome character, he was so cute. So let's start Toad with a line for the bottom of his head. And then we're going to do a curve coming across the top like so. Let's put his little eyes in, one eye, and we're going to leave a little white dot in his eyes. Now Toad used to be my favourite Mario Kart character when I was a boy playing the Super Nintendo, but then I moved on to Bowser because he was faster, but Toad could handle well. But he's so funny in the movie. I hope you guys have seen it. Big smile, always happy, can do anything. I love his can-do attitude. And then he's got his little teeth, so just going to draw a little bumpy line there, and then he's got his tongue, so put his tongue there like that. Now we've got to draw his head, so let's bring his head out that way and then out this way. Now curve that back around, but he's got like a curve there and another ellipse, the main ellipse, and then another little one on this side that pokes on the side of his head. Now he's always carries around a little backpacks, but we're going to put his little top on. There we go. There's his little top, and he's got a bit of a yellow edge to it, so we're just going to draw those bits. Now this is his top, and he's got his pants coming over there. I'm going to bring this one in, and this is like his backpack belt coming over the top. Comes over the top of his body. Okay, this is going to be his arm. So his arm comes out, and then he's got his thumb going there like that. He's carrying his little walking stick. So I'm going to put the line coming down here for his walking stick, and then it goes up past his head, and it slightly gets wider at the top. And then I'm bringing this down to here, and he's got a little bit of a bit that sticks out there. You can put a bit of wood grain on to make that look like wood. Now he's got one little finger that looks like that, a longer finger, another finger, and his lucky last little finger there. And then the stick keeps coming through. There we go. Then just do the palm of his hand there. Put a line there and a line for his thumb part. Now he's got his belt that comes down here like that. Then he's got his arm coming out this side with his hand and his thumb, and then most of his fingers are tucked in there like that. And there's his hand, sort of going backwards as well. Let's put some of his buckles on. So there's a buckle there with a little strap that it goes through, 1, 2, and then we're going to put it like a little bit like that. Then we're going to do the same on the other side, 1, 2 with the buckle end, just like we did there. Now he's carrying around his camping roll, or it almost reminds me a bit of a yoga mat. So I'm just going to put that on the end there to make it look like it's rolled up. And you see a little bit of it at the top there. Then make sure that lines up and comes out, curves back, around like so. That's his little camping roll. Now he's got his jacket there. I'm going to bring his cool puffy pants down and around like that. And then he's got all these fold lines. I'll put a few lines in there to show you the folds, but we can do that with our colouring. Now let's put his shoe on. Big, sort of almost like a jelly bean shape there. Then he's got his sole of his shoe. Little line through there, and then he's got some other details that we can do when we're colouring. And then he's got, don't forget, his foot comes down like that. And if you want to, like I'm going to just put a little line through here And he's actually standing on a toad, because if you've watched the movie, you'll know what land he's in. And there's a little toad, so you can add those bits if you want to, or you don't have to. Don't forget the sole of his shoe on this one. We can put a little rim around there as well. And then he's got this little container here that comes across. And you can see that's the top of his bag. And it comes down into a point like that. And then he's got this side of his little bag there. I'm going to outline him now.